Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss Grade 6 Mathematics third term test paper. I invite you to subscribe my channel and stay with us. Question number 1. Write down the letters marked on the circle given below. If we consider the diagram, the letters on the circle are C and D. So C and D are the answers. The letter E and F are outside the circle and A and B are inside the circle. Then question number 2, we are given this, find the value. 456 multiplying by 7. 456 multiplying by 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 4 is remaining. 7 times 5, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 3 is remaining. 7 times 4, 28 plus 3, 31. So 3192 is the answer. Question number 3. Write the decimal number represented by the abacus. We are given this abacus. In one's rod, we have 3 counters. So it becomes 3 point. Then we know that between the counter ones and tens, we have to keep the decimal point. Then tens place we have no counters. So we have to put a 0. Then hundreds place we have 2 counters. So 3.02 is the answer. Question number 4. Write down the number given below in the standard form. 43 million. 43 million. 54,000. We have to put a 0 here. 54,000. Then in units period, we have to put 3 zeros. Question number 5. Select and write down the units used to measure lengths. Milliliter used to measure a liquid volume. Then centimeter for length. Then kilogram for mass. Square centimeter for area and meter for length. So these are the 2 units we are using to measure length. Then question number 6. We are given this number line. -3 to +4. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then question number 1. Mark the numbers -2 and +3 on the number line. We can mark the numbers by using a small dot like this. Okay. Then part 2, use the symbol greater than to compare the above two numbers. We have to use this symbol. Then if you compare these two numbers, which is the largest one? 3. So you have to put 3 here at the opening side of this side. Then -2 into the pointer like this. Question number 7. Write the number of edges and the number of vertices in a regular tetrahedron. Number of edges in a regular tetrahedron is 6. The number of vertices is 4. Question number 8. What is the opposite direction to the southeast? If you mark the directions, north, then south, east. Here, southeast. Then the opposite of south east is, this is west, northwest. So the direction is northwest. Question number 9. Sunil left school at 1:45 p.m. and he took 35 minutes to return home. At what time he returned home? We have to write it in the standard form 13:45. Then we have to add 35 minutes here. What is the addition now? 0, then 80. Now we have to subtract 60 from this one. Then it becomes 20 minutes. Then 14. This should be goes here. 14 hours, 20 minutes. Then the time is 2:20 p.m. in 12-hour clock. Then question number 10. Name two herbivorous animals in the group of four-footed animals. We can take the cow. Cow is a herbivorous animal. Then goat. Goat is also a herbivorous animals with four foots. Question number 11. Write down the following statements are a known constant or an unknown constant. First one, number of players in a cricket team. That is a known constant. We know the exact value of the number of players. For known constant. Then second one, the number of bricks needed to construct a wall. That is a fixed value, but we don't know it clearly. So because of that, it's an unknown constant. Then question number 12. Write 2050 grams in kilograms. We can separate it as 2000 grams plus 50 grams. This 2000 grams can be written as 2 kilograms. To convert this to kilograms, we have to divide it by 1000. Now this is in kilograms. We can cut off these two zeros. Then we can write it as 2 kilograms plus 0.05 kilograms. Now the addition is 2.05 kilograms. Question number 13. When a certain number is rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10, the value obtained is 50. Write the least number and the most number, that is the greatest number that this number can take. The least number must be 45 and the greatest number must be 54. Question number 14. First one, write the ratio 2 to 7 in symbolic form. 2 to 7, we can write it as 2 to 7. Then second part, write an equivalent ratio to the above ratio. We can multiply it by any number, but we can't use a division method here as this is in the simplest form. Let's multiply this by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Then 2 times 7 is 14. So this is an equivalent ratio. Question number 15. Write 17 using tally marks. Here for 17 we have to use 3 bundles. 1, 2, 3. Then it indicates 15. Another 2 is remaining. So this is the way we are denoting it by tally marks. Question number 16. Find the area of a square-shaped lamina of side length 1 centimeter. Underline the correct answer. The correct answer is 1 square centimeter. Number 3. Question number 17. The price of 8 exercise books is 200 to 80. Find the price of one book. We have to divide 280 by 8. 8 times 3, 24. Now 4 is remaining. For 48 times 5. Price of one book is 35 rupees. Question number 18. There are about 50 peas in 100 grams. Estimate the number of peas in 1 kilogram. We know that in 1 kilogram we have 10 grams. So we have to multiply 50 by 100. Sorry, 10. 50 by 10. So the answer is 500. Question number 19. We have given this to simplify. 5 over 6. 5 over 6 minus 3 over 2 over 3. 2 over 3. What is the common denominator here? Common denominator is 6. For that, the first fraction remains unchanged. Then the second fraction should be multiplied by 2. Both the numerator and denominator are multiplied by 2. So we can write 5 over 6 minus 4 over 6. Now we can subtract the two numerators as the denominators are equal. So the answer is 1 over 6. Last question, question number 20. There are 20 girls. I'll write it here. There are 20 girls and 25 boys in a class. Write the ratio of the boys to girls in the simplest form. We are asking boys first. Number of boys is 25. 25 to 20. Now we can divide this by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So this is the simplest answer, 5 to 4.